Scott with Mayhem RC, and coming back to you with another video about the Element Enduro Pro Comp truck. Said in my last video, this truck needs a little bit of weight up front, and to do that, also the other reason for this is the steering knuckles, the plastic ones, they wear out really quick and they get really loose. So there's not a lot of, like, it's hard to get the truck to go straight line all the time. But what I chose is the aluminum C-hubs from SSD. Here's, if you're interested and want a part number for the part, there's your part number. But very nice. These are very lightweight, so these won't be adding really much weight to the vehicle at all. But then also I have these very they feel pretty good actually. They're brass, but the one thing I like about these knuckles is they're not really you don't really see the brass. They're either coated or painted. But here's the part number for those as well. And I'm going to be installing them on the truck. I'll actually, once I take them out of the pack, I'll put a few pictures there so you guys can see what they look like before. Maybe even take a video after they're on. But I'm going to stop the camera and I'm going to get into this. And then when I get this install completed, we'll get back to you. So finished up the install, and yeah, these things are just awesome. Beautiful pieces of machine work, just awesome. So got it all buttoned up, just wanted to show it to you. I'm gonna pause the camera one more time, put the wheels on, and we'll talk about the finish. Well, all right guys, there it is. And as you can see, fits around the wheels and everything really nicely. And it gave it the weight that I believe it needs. And I can't wait to get out and test this. The fit and the finish, as you can see, I mean, it just looks absolutely amazing. And I know it's going to function well. All SSD parts always do. If you like the video, guys, like and subscribe. And if you didn't, give me a thumbs down. I'm okay with that too. I'm always up for some constructive criticism. But like I said in the last video, if you guys got an Enduro, share some of your thoughts about it. Tell me what you like about it. Y'all have a good weekend. Take care.